Today we will design the kinetic drive logo. This is an automotive company and we need to design them. We already completed it. Let's show you the process again how we did this. We took the logo copy and then we are showing you the process how we design it. Let's lock it by pressing Ctrl and 2. Now the time to redesign, to show the process to all of you how we designed this. First of all, for the wheel we took the circle shape and adjusted it and pressed Alt and copied it. Remember, if you need a logo design you can contact us. We are mainly logo based agency. So for the other parts we can Ctrl C and Ctrl V and then on the stroke and increase the size of it. As we are redesigning, not 100% same will be the design, but we will try our best to show the process to you. Now for this line we can use pen tool. As you can see that our colors are different, so we can do this by selecting all of them and taking the eyedropper tool and just select the color. Sorry, we have to press the shift to select the color so that it applies on the stroke. And for the wheels we can take the red color, and as this line is black we can select from anywhere. Now you can if I show you that we have completed our lower part, means vehicle. Now it's time to complete the front part. Let's use the pen tool again. We are just following the parts and made it. Now you can see that I have made there a corner. For example, I have marked this red color and you can see that this is rounded but my shape is corner. We can do it by selecting the direct selection tool and clicking on the points by pressing shift and left click. Now you can see that there is a round option, so if we click on left click and bring it within, this shape will be rounded and perfect round. You can see how round it is. And now we can select the color again. Now this is about light or car light, so we can make it by just pen tool. As pen tool is our day to day friend, time to time friend, minute to minute friend, we have to use it. There is no other way, but sometimes there is. Let's make the front glasses. We can apply more things on these glasses, but for now we are just recreating and showing you the process how we designed this. So we have completed our glasses and we are going to put the colors on them, and if I show you the result till now, you can see that we have completed all the above parts. We can also use this as a logo, as it's also representing a car. But as we uh, promised to show you the process, we are going to complete all this logo. So we can again use the pen tool. We can also use other tools, but for now we are just using pen tool to show you the process. As you can see that I have controlled this handle by pressing alt button and left click to manage it, and then we are designing this. Using pen tool is the most important part and most difficult part for a designer. We are completing them, and for a larger part you can make it within 2. And control the handle with the keyboard button alt and left click. Now you can see we have completed this shape also, and if we show you the logo, it's the final look till now. And now it's time for the below part, or this line. How can we do it? For the simplest way or the professional way is just take a line tool and make a line, then on the stroke and increase the stroke size, and use any of these stroke styles to make the thing perfect. And we can see there are a lot of options to use. Choose any one you need it. Now increase the stroke size as needed, and your logo is almost ready. We rotated this so that the front part seems bigger than the back part. And now we can see that there is one missing element, is that this part, and we are going to make this by pen tool and just making corners instead of rounded. Let's see how can we make these corners rounded again. Just select the direct selection tool and select the points, anchor points with shift button, and just round it. And you can see we have completed this more better in this process because we used tools very professional. And we can see that there is a class, we have to use this here. Let's make it more professional. And now it's almost ready to go. And now we are going to use the text for the logo. As you can see, this is for Kinetic Drive. This is just a practice logo to show you the process how we work, but the process is very longer than we show you on this video. Mostly these logos are made by involving a team member in logo design, because this is not a alone work. We need a hard understanding on it. So just copy it. So we keep some backup, so if we do any wrong we will use this again. We are now coloring this text with eyedropper and direct selection tool, and we as you can see, we are not using the black color, we are using a little gray, dark gray you can say. Now you can see that these lines are stroke, we have to make it a shape. So we can do it by going to object, expand appearance, and you can see that this is now a shape. So if you don't want to go through the all long process, you can easily contact us and we will do the logo design for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.